Lens maker's formula. ABCD is the thin lens. Its focal length is F, and the material of the refractive index of the material of the lens is N2, and this lens is surrounded by the air and its refractive index is N1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಥಿನ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಆ ಥಿನ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ದು ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಫ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಥಿನ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ದು ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ N2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏರ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಏರ್ದು ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ N1 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವೇಚರ್ R1 ಇದೆ. ADC second spherical surface, the radius of curvature is R2. So O is the luminous point object placed on the principal axis at a distance U from the optic center. Light from O travels along the principal axis and then proceeds undeviated. Now another paraxial ray from O incident at P on the lens gets refraction. So after refraction, this refracted ray travels along PQ. Light again travels from glass to air, thus that refracted ray emerges along QI. This refracted ray meet at the point I on the principal axis. So this I is the real image of an object O at a distance V from the optic center. For the image I, formation of the image I is considered in the two stages. First one, refraction at the first surface ABC. For refraction through the first surface ABC, second surface ADC is object, no second surface. So O is the luminous point object. Light from O incident at P. So second surface is object, that's why this refracted ray PQ would have traveled along the straight line and meet at I dash on the principal axis at a distance V dash from the optic center. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಓ ರಿಯಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಐ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. We know that equation minus n1 upon u plus n2 upon v is equal to n1 difference n2 divided by r. This is the equation for refraction through the spherical surface. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ object in the air, its refractive index is n1, so n1 is same ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. n1 is refractive index of object space and n2 is refractive index of image space. Object space is air, its refractive index is n1 and object distance is u, that's why same thing minus n1 upon u. And image is produced in the refracting medium of refractive index n2 at a distance v dash, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ n2 upon v dash ಆಯ್ತು is equal to n2 minus n1 upon r1. n2 is greater than n1 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ n2 minus n1 upon r1 ಆಯ್ತು. So ಈ ರೀತಿ refraction through the first surface ABC, we get the equation minus n1 upon u plus n2 upon v dash, ಅಂದ್ರೆ v ಇರೋದು ಅದರ v dash, and n2 minus n1 divided by r1. First surface ABC the radius of curvature r1 ಇದೆ. Similarly, for refraction through the second surface ADC, second surface ABC is object. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ABC ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ABC object ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ for refraction through the ADC, second surface ADC, I dash acts as a virtual object and its real image produced at I in air. ನಾವು ADC ಅನ್ನೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಐ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ರಿಯಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಐ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಏರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪರೆಂಟ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಆಫ್ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ n2 and object I dash ಆಗಿಂದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ v dash ಇದೆ, ಸೊ n2 upon v dash ಆಯ್ತು. n1 upon u ಇದ್ದು n2 upon v dash ಆಯ್ತು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಇನ್ ಏರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಏರ್ದು ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ n1 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ n2 ಇರೋದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ n1 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ v, ಅದರ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ v ಇದೆ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ v ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ADC ಇದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವೇಚರ್ r2, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ r2 ಆಯ್ತು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಫಾರ್ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ADC, we get the equation minus n2 upon v dash plus n1 upon v is equal to n2 minus n1 divided by minus r2. Now adding the equations 2 and 3, we get in the left side minus n1 upon u plus n2 upon v dash, and in the equation number 3 right side n2 upon minus n2 upon v dash plus n1 upon v is equal to in the equation number 2 right side n2 minus n1 upon r1 plus in the equation number 3 right side n2 minus n1 divided by minus r2. So ಈಗ plus n2 upon v dash and minus n2 upon v dash get cancelled. In the left side of the equation minus n1 upon u plus n1 upon v, and in the right side of the equation taking the common n2 minus n1 into bracket 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. So in the left side again taking the common n1 minus 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to n2 minus n1 into bracket 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. This n1 is taken to the right side, so aga minus 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to n2 minus n1 upon n1 into bracket 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2, and correct as equation number 4. If the object is placed at the infinite distance, then parallel beam of light is incident on the lens. After refraction, all the refracted rays are converges at the principal focus, means image is produced at the principal focus. So when object is infinity, then image is produced at the principal focus. Hagagi u is equal to infinity, other v is equal to f. F is the focal length of this lens. However, subject ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 upon u is nothing but 1 upon infinity equal to 0. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 1 upon v is nothing but f. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 1 upon f is equal to n1 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ n2 upon n1 minus 1 into 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ we know that 1 n2 is equal to n2 upon n1, relation between relative refractive index and absolute refractive index. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ instead of n2 upon n1, 1 n2 minus 1 into bracket 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. This is called lens maker's formula. Now comparing equations 4 and 5, right side of the equation get cancelled. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 1 upon f is equal to minus 1 upon u plus 1 upon v. This is called lens formula. ಇದು ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಇದು ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ.